place is called Hell's Gate. This name came from the early explorer Simon Fraser.
What's the holdup up there, eh?
Find out is the greatest value that fantasy has to offer is all of the exactly.
That's for your lunch. Oh, okay. So you show it to the cafe, they'll give you a lunch.
Which way? This way?
Yep, right through there. Enjoy your stay.
Yep, thank you.
Is there room? No? Oh, yes. You can sit two people? Yes.
About time.
Me neither.
We got a pole for you.
You can ride on top, bro. Strong enough to pull this off.
Stop it. Zakaj no, boyfriend? Dan heb je daar.
Here.
Dan kun je wat drinken. En dan is, ik weet niet wat er te doen is. Waar is het? Het is hanging up.
Hello, I'm your tour operator today. While we are descending down, I will give you some historical facts about this area. This place is called Hell's Gate. This name came from the early explorer Simon Fraser. In 1808, he came through here in search of a power trading route to the Pacific Ocean. And at this place, he had to abandon his canoe and take a very dangerous cliff hiking. After that, he wrote in his journal, "This is a place where no human being should venture. For surely we have encountered the gates of hell." And in 1914, during the construction of the Canadian National Railway tunnel below the tram, the engineers failed to detect a major fault line in the hill, and they blasted the hill with dynamite, and 100,000 cubic meters of rock fell down into the river. And it blocked the salmon spawning way for 30 years, and the number of salmon decreased by 90%. So in 1944, the Canadian and US government started building the steel and concrete structure to see both sides of the river. They are known as the International Fishways. They slow down the water inside so that the salmon can get in and avoid the washing. And the river here is the narrowest and deepest of the entire Fraser River. Today's water depth is 149 feet. And the white sign below the bridge shows you the highest recorded water level ever. When the water rose to 200 feet and washed away the old bridge used to be there. And the bridge is a very good place to take pictures, but it gets very windy, so please be careful not to drop your items. On the other side, we have a fudge factory, restaurant, gift shop, and 2 exhibits with 3 short movies. If you're hungry, I recommend the salmon burger. It's very good.
What burger?
Salmon burger.
Yeah.
And the only washrooms are in lower terminal. It's not at the upper terminal. And when you want to go back, please wait in the breakaway. There will be a tram every 10 minutes.
Perfect.
And please hold on, we may experience bumps side to side. Please watch your step.
wise as I will.
Did you go around the block or something? We're in front of you.
We did. We went into Hope to see what there was, but there was nothing.
So Hope was hopeless?
It was hopeless.
So is that Dave behind you? What's the holdup up there, eh?
What's the holdup, DC?
Apparently there's only one lane open.
And Harry had said once, you know, it starts out you want to see all these places, and then really what you find out is the greatest value that fantasy has to offer is all of the places.
Exactly.
And yeah, and I think fantasy really does know that. I know there's something about going on these trips, and you find sort of like-minded people. People you don't find in the real world as adults. You don't find people who enjoy the adventure and the travel and willing to put up with all the little heartbreaks, you know, that we had, the breakdowns and the difficulties. I'm sure everybody got sick at some point, and I'm sure everybody has something wrong with the rig. It's part of the adventure, right? Otherwise, if it's easy, everybody would do it.
You turn a puddle into oceans. You set the galaxies in motion. You see the magic in a single flake of snow. You turn the sidewalk cracks to canyons. You are a fire-breathing dragon. You follow treasure maps into the wild unknown. I wanna go with you. I wanna go with you on a grand adventure. I'm along for the ride, and I feel it all again for the very first time on a grand adventure with you by my side, 'cause I love to see the world through your eyes. You turn a moment to a memory. You are the medicine that God knows I need. I'm better every day I get to spend with you. You sing a song and I will listen. We'll make a dance floor in the kitchen. I can't believe the way your laughter fills the room. I wanna go with you. I wanna go with you on a grand adventure.